Are you looking for a coffee grinder that will not give you a hard time during its operation? If this is the case, you ought to have the Morpilot coffee grinder, featuring stainless steel blades. This electric grinder delivers coffee grounds to your preferred level of coarseness or fineness at the touch of an on/off button. It is equipped with a 200 watts motor to ensure a quick, efficient as well as a consistent grind. Besides, it is equipped with a transparent cover which allows you to easily observe the grinding process. Also, it is a compact and stylish one. For this reason, it will take the least space on your kitchen's countertop. However, that does not make it ineffective since the capacity for this coffee grinder is 14 cups, which is good enough for a family setup. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Efficient and super silent. 80 grams capacity. Yield up to 14 cups of coffee with minimum grinding noise. 200 watts powerful motor and high-quality stainless steel blade ensure continuous and even grinding for better maintaining the original rich aroma and oil of the coffee bean. Number 2. Multiple uses. Not only a coffee bean grinder but also designed to grind all kinds of spices, pepper, seeds, herbs, nuts, grains, and more. Blade and cup made with SUS 304 stainless steel. No rust, with brush for easy clean, non-slip feet for safe use. With cord storage. Number 3. One-touch push-button control. Hold the button for operation, release for a stop for easy use. Make coarse and fine by operating different times. Get desired powder in 20 seconds or less. Lid with viewing window. Number 4. Safe and durable. Lid with safety switch for safe use. The grinds coffee with built-in smart overheat protection which is durable for long-time use. Number 5. Unique design. Perfect gift. The unique designed electric coffee grinder is a special gift for your families, friends, colleagues at birthdays, weddings, relocation, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year, Valentine's Day, and other important days. Number 6. Sharp blade. Stainless steel blade of good quality offers powerful and quick performance, grinding coffee beans sharply and evenly. Number 7. Fine or coarse as you like. The time of pressing the lid decides how fine the powder would be. You can stop at any time you want. Number 8. More space for other appliance. Compact size only takes up a little space on your countertop or cupboard, provides more space for other appliances. Number 9. Safe locking. Easy and safe locking. You just need to switch the lid counterclockwise to remove it, clockwise to lock it, which is convenient, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.